Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 is freezing on startup or boot, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's what you need to know. The issue is either with the disk space or it is with the RAM. Okay. Here's what has to be done. First of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. So this is the first one. And the second one is that you will have to delete a few files from your system. So here's my suggestion. Go to the downloads folder. You will find a lot of redundant files here. Simply delete them. Okay. So you will free up a little bit of disk space with that. Now, if that doesn't help, then search for memory in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. And if that doesn't help, then you will have to buy a new RAM. So you will have to call a hardware technician for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.